Texas is a state that does allow for spousal maintenance, but it's not as much as people think. It is to meet the minimum reasonable needs of the spouse seeking such maintenance. So in other states, it's to maintain the standard of living established during the marriage. So if you're wearing fur coats and changing your nail color every day, you can continue doing that, and it's not limited in amount or duration. But in Texas, they limit your ability to get it, how long it's going to last, and they also cap the amount that you're able to receive. Texas does have spousal maintenance, but it's not necessarily easy to get. There are limited circumstances where you can get spousal maintenance in Texas. The primary one that people are going to qualify under is that they were married for 10 years. The length of time that spousal maintenance will last can depend on how long you were married. So if you were married for 10 years, you may be eligible for up to 5 years of spousal maintenance. But that's just what the statute allows. That does not mean that that is what the court is going to do. In fact, in my 16 years of practice, I've never seen a court award spousal maintenance for the length of time that the statute actually allows. Spousal maintenance is based on the need of the party that's going to be receiving that maintenance. It's going to be based on your minimum reasonable needs, and not based on what you think your minimum reasonable needs are, but what the court thinks is reasonable. It is going to be capped at $5,000 or 20% of the paying spouse's income, whichever is less. Contractual alimony can oftentimes be better to agree to than spousal maintenance in Texas. You're not going to be limited by the family code as to amount and duration and things like that.